5 steps that must be done before sewing. Lift the presser foot lever on the back of the fuselage. Put the fabric under the presser foot. And put down the presser foot lever. Turn the hand wheel in the correct direction. And raise the take-up lever to the highest position. Grab the hand wheel cover in your hand. Rotate 2 to 3 laps in the direction of the arrow to make the line go smoothly. Press the switch button to start sewing. It is recommended that beginners use slow speed, and then use fast speed after being familiar with it.